Yeah.
We have the right to say, by nature of your problem, you cannot have the right to be free because you will destroy the rights of other people. And that is a perfectly legitimate way to conceptualize the situation of this kind of person. We do the same thing with criminals, even though they many times can understand these ideas, but if they have violated rights, we say you forfeited your rights. In their case, it's because they could understand it, but they didn't. We put them in jail. Sometimes they get put to death. We could talk about whether that's justified or not, but certainly putting them in jail for life if they murder people is. So a right is simply the recognition of this fact, that human beings need freedom from force in order to live, and we enforce that. Why? Because the whole purpose of moral principles, and in my view of proper political principles, is to enable human beings to live as independent agents without being coerced or killed or raped or whatever by other people. So rights are really, really tied to egoism in the sense that their purpose is to enable individuals to pursue their values and flourish. Mm-hmm. And if somebody violates rights, you can't do that thing. So that's why we get to lock him up, regardless of what he understands.
I'm mostly interested in moving to Q&A. I would only say, I suppose I'd ask the audience to imagine, I don't know, sort of the sort of arbitrariness of saying that a person with a certain brain is broken and a person with a certain other kind of brain is not. If it's not just going to be based on majority, if it's going to be based on some principle about what a brain ought to be that is completely